again. I'm on the way to New York with Priscilla. So we actually have a lot of flying to do today. So we're in Fort Lauderdale now. We're gonna go to Tampa. From Tampa we have like a 4-hour layover, something along those lines, and then we're out to New York finally. So I'm excited. It's gonna be cold, but we're gonna live. We're gonna make it. Alright, so I'll see you in Tampa. Looks good. So I didn't really get to vlog yesterday. Of course, I got my food and I just ate it because I was hungry. So, but if you want, you could follow my Instagram food thingy. So I'll put that right here. You can follow tasty treats all around the world. But today, we are going to eat some yummy pizza. So we're on the way to the train. Hopefully, I won't eat so fast and I'll be able to vlog. So, catch you there. Are you excited? Guys, so we just finished eating at Carol Place and
that big thing you get me that?
We stopped to get some coffee for Priscilla because she's a big girl, she likes coffee. I'm not a big girl, I don't like coffee. But now we're gonna go to like a little park until we take the train back into the city. So yeah, it's actually not that cold, it's just really cold when it starts getting windy and like my face doesn't like God, there's puppies, guys!
It's a dog park.
There's puppies! Where's Chimpy? Hey guys, so today we are going into the city to meet up with my cousin and celebrate St. Patrick's Day, but I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera because I'm really scared of losing it, so you won't be able to see that. Maybe I'll film a little bit with my phone and then input it into the video. We'll see. But yeah, it's gonna be too rowdy and this camera is expensive, so it's gonna stay home today. But so far so good. It's a beautiful day in New York. I don't know how beautiful though, because once I step outside and it's cold I might freak out a little bit, but we're ready over here. I'm rocking the Jameson hoodie, I got the Jameson beads. We're out here. I'm Irish today. Shout out to all my Irish fans. And look at this view. This is what I wake up to. So yeah, hopefully I'll get some footage on my phone and I could put it into the video. If not, just know that it's gonna be fun. And maybe one day you can be out here in New York celebrating St. Patrick's Day. So I'll see you guys later.